Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. I want to say, first of all, let me say thank you very much for the support, the continued support I've been getting from you guys, the continued liking, the continued sharing, the continued subscription. Thoroughly appreciate it. It has been really a tremendous 3 years on YouTube for me. 3 years? 2021, 2, 3, 24. Yeah, that's been a tremendous 3 years. 3 years. 3 years. Over 50,000 subscribers. I think it's quite an interesting one. And I have to say, this is all down to you guys who have been liking, sharing, arguing, cussing, beating, agreeing with me on many different topics. Now, I expect that this same topic that I'm going to discuss should be one that splits the opinions of people. Some are going to agree, some are going to disagree, some are going to cuss, some are going to say, yeah, man, a real thing. Yeah, I have seen it. I have done I've done over 1,000, I've gone about 2,000 videos already. Over 2,000 videos. So I know what to expect from the supporters and the viewers. I know the mindset. I know how things normally pans out. But honestly, we're here to give information and have discussions, should I say, credible discussions, and also thoughtful discussions as well, and ask questions about everything. Also, sometimes we make references going back to all the way in whatever time period, and you drop some references to compare to what's happening in nowadays. And also, this video is also a reference video. Now, before I get into the details of the video, I want to speak about a competition that we're keeping. It's the 1v1 competition, MG Sports and Knockins. We're keeping a 1v1 competition. And it's on August the 10th. It will be taking place at Kick It Turf, sponsored by Grip Elite, Maestro Sports, Timber Lounge, quite a few sponsors. Hopefully, I'm not forget none. And it's a 1v1 competition. Cash prize there. The winner will get 20,000 Jamaican dollars to enter. Just $1,000 to enter. Just $1,000 to enter. And you say your skill is not found on a good, not found on a baller. This is no opportunity. There will be live streaming of the event, video coverage as well. We'll do clippings, posting our socials, all our socials. If you have skills, just come display your skill set on the day. So on August 10th, come off with the one in Knockins MG Sports 1v1 tournament. So let's get to the meat of the matter. We're going to discuss Craig Butler. Like, share, subscribe, people. We'd really appreciate if you do so. Now, let's start off by saying we have to give credit to what you have done regarding to Phoenix Academy with the players. I have to say clearly, I've seen the players. You have some of the best young talents, in Jamaica. And his route is predominantly saying going to Europe, training these players, trying to give them opportunities, all the type of things. But there's this big thing that he came out in a good long time now, that schoolboy football is not sufficient enough to develop the players. And I think if not all, I think everyone agrees to that. It's just unfortunate that it's what we have, so we have to agree with it. So we have to work with it. And he also said that he don't want his players to participate in schoolboy football. He said that clearly. He made that clear. After time and time again, the competition, the highlight that the competition is getting, he see that, this is a good venue or opportunity for my players to get some of that highlight. So he went on partaking in schoolboy football, which is good for his players. They got the opportunity now to be seen by the Jamaican masses, because many of the Jamaicans say, you're always speaking about the players who have seen them partaking in the competition. Now that they're in schoolboy football, Jamaica would have seen what they have to possess. And he even went on to win the Manning Cup, which is a big feat based off the team that he carried, he had in the Mona, which was not traditionally a big schoolboy football team, a big Manning Cup team. And he went on to do something really big with them. That's huge. Actually, it's historic. Then now, further on from that, for many years, he has been bashing the Jamaica Premier League, saying that the Jamaica Premier League is not necessarily good enough. And many would also agree that, the level is not the highest. More can be done. Yes, and I think a lot of persons agree with that. A lot of persons agree that it's not at the level and a lot more can be done. But just as schoolboy football it's what we have. So we have to utilize what we have. He made it clear that one, the Jamaica Premier League is easy. He made that very, very clear that it's easy. Secondly, he made it clear that he never wanted his players to partake in the Jamaica Premier League because he wanted them to continue to train and get the opportunity to train or play practice games in Europe. And I think that was enough. Now, we have seen, and he has been trying for a long while to partner with Jamaica. He has even tried to purchase Jamaica Premier League clubs. Now he have finally gotten his wish in partnering with one of the Jamaica Premier League clubs in Phoenix United. Now you see him coming out and say that with the White Scout now being heavily involved in the Jamaica Premier League, he saw that as an option for his players to now have data assigned to them. Not just schoolboy football, no, his players has data. So, saying all that to say this, you ever heard the term cock, mouth, kill cock? That's what's happening right now. He says something that, say one thing, then go against the same thing that he said. And they have to now think, how many things would you have done the same? Or how many things that he has said, you have done and gone against it? How many things you would have said that he's doing this and doing that and then go against it? Just one, schoolboy football, don't want his player to partake in it. It's not good enough. Small competition, this rated there. Couple years later, started to partake in it. Boom, Jamaica Premier League. Players aren't good enough, the league not good enough, this, that, infrastructure, they now no feel in the league, all the negative stuff. Now recently, pairing with one of the Jamaica Premier League clubs. So, what I'm saying is, people, you have to be very, very mindful of the things you say, because in turn, especially on social media, nothing goes away. Once it goes on social media, it don't go away. It stays. People remember stuff. So you have to be mindful of the things that you say, because it will turn around or in turn bite you. That's why I use the term cock, mouth, kill cock. Either say too much and it affect you, or you say something and then go against what you said. That's the situation that he's in right now. And also you could look on it as he's an opportunist. He didn't want his players to play in the schoolboy football because it's not good enough this rated. But when he realized the global highlight that schoolboy football get, you know what? Let's put my players in it. Let's get them some of that global highlights. Jamaica Premier League, no, it's not good enough such rated. But now that White Scout and all these data analytics are now going to be assigned to Jamaica Premier League, he's putting his player in. So that's it. I'm not saying anything is wrong with that. It's just business. It's the nature of the business. But the other aspect of it is the moral part of it. Don't say things that in turn you might end up go against. Your own morals, your own standards, you're not going up against it, or going against your own. So that's the reason I said no. People now will question his credibility in saying, what else has he gone against? He has said so much stuff. Now you have to ask the question: Has he gone against some of these same things that he has said? You have to question it. You have to question it. As I said, this program is about thoughtful questions. This program is about thoughtful discussions. This program is about sitting down and being rational. You have to think about this. You have to have these discussions. Now, I have no problem what he's doing. One, great acquisition, great partnership with Mona. See some success out of it. I've seen success out of it. Now, in my view as well, as someone who covered the local league, great partnership with Via United. Now, the question mark is where the success is concerned, because nothing has happened yet. Another aspect of it is, which is a big talking point, he employed Lenny Hyde as his head coach for Via United. We all know that when it comes on to Lenny Hyde has a strong attachment to Clarendon College. And Lenny Hyde tends to use his Clarendon College players whichever Premier League club he's at. The question is going to be, will Craig and Phoenix players who are going to be playing Manning Cup, how will that work out? Because Lenny Hyde want to play the Clarendon College players in Via United, and the Phoenix and Craig Butler would want his Phoenix players, which some of will be playing for Mona, a part of the Via United setup as well, Via Phoenix United setup as well. The problem here is the allocation of professional football are amateurs. And well, you can have 5 amateur football on your team sheet. Only 5. The question is, will these players be signing professional contracts? So that is a big question mark. So this video entails 2 parts. The question mark around how they're going to structure it. Just a question. Listen, I don't need to have the answer. They're going to have the answer. This is a question for the general public, something to talk about, something for discussion. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash that like button, hit subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Tell us what you think about him speaking against both schoolboy football and the Jamaica Premier League. I end up joining both of them. And now, question, also tell us what you think about how would they work out the Mona and also CC players being a part of the Via United or Via Phoenix United squad. Quite an interesting. Now, remember I said only 5 amateur can be on the matchday squad, and that's something that really hit Cavaliers because Cavaliers quite of a lot of amateur players, and that really hit them bad. Let's see how Via would approach this one. Via Phoenix United would approach this one. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom. You know what I mean? Enjoy yourself, people. Enjoy the day. God bless.